Good morning, music kids. Miss Tweetie here. I have my drum here today. Do you have a drum at home that you can use? It's okay if you don't. You know what works really well is a Tupperware without its lid on. You can just turn it upside down. Doesn't matter if it's square or rectangle or round. It's lots of fun to play it like a drum. Let's start like this. We're going to play very quietly. I am so excited because very, very soon I get to have a pizza party in this very room. I cannot wait another moment till the puns begin because I get to make a pizza here with everyone. Pizza, 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 pizza party. Having so much fun with everyone. Pizza, 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 pizza party. I cannot wait until it's done. Now the first step when you have a pizza is you have to roll it into a big ball like this. So we're going to spin our drums around. And if your drum is a rectangle or a square, that's okay. You can just use two hands and spin it around. Spinning our pizza at our party. Having so much fun with everyone. Spinning our pizza at a party. I cannot wait until it's done. Okay, now we have to flatten our pizza to make it very round. Flattening our pizza at our party. Having so much fun with everyone. Flattening our pizza at our party. I cannot wait until it's done. Okay, now we want to spread it out to make it really big so we can share it with all of our friends. So take your drum or your Tupperware and put it on your hand, and we're going to spread it out, spreading out our pizza at our party. Having so much fun with everyone. Spreading out our pizza at our party. I cannot wait until it's done. Okay, now it's time to put on some sauce. Let's try some pizza sauce. It's gonna be so, oh, you know what? We could put some sweet sauce on, like chocolate sauce. That would be so good. Now let's put on our toppings. If we're just gonna have pizza sauce, I like cheese pizza, so we'll sprinkle some cheese on. But if we're gonna have a chocolate pizza, I don't know, let's put marshmallows or jelly beans or maybe even chocolate chips. And now we're gonna slide the pizza in the oven. We can slide it like this, or we can even go like this. Slide it in the oven at your party. Woo! Having so much fun with everyone. Woo! Slide it in the oven at your party. I cannot wait until it's done. Okay, let's close the oven door. Close the oven door at your party. Having so much fun with everyone. Close the oven door at your party. I cannot wait until it's done. Okay, now that our pizza's are ready, let's get out our finger pizza cutters and we're gonna cut it into pieces like this. Cutting up our pizza at our party. Having so much fun with everyone. Cutting up our pizza at our party. I cannot wait until it's done. Okay, is your pizza ready? My pizza's ready. Let's eat our pizzas. Pizza, 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 pizza party. Having so much fun with everyone. Pizza, 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 pizza party. I cannot wait until it's done. Oh boy, that was good.